Awning installation in Sumter, SC, is a popular choice for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Sumter awning installation services offer a wide range of options, including custom awning windows, Sumter aluminum awnings, Sumter SC, and commercial awnings, Sumter SC. These awning solutions, Sumter SC, are designed to provide shade, reduce energy costs, and add value to your property. Energy-efficient windows. Sumter are an excellent investment for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Vinyl Windows Sumter, South Carolina, and Storm Windows Sumter are popular choices for their durability and insulation properties. Window upgrades. Sumter can significantly reduce energy bills and improve indoor comfort. Window experts. Sumter can provide a window consultation. Sumter to help you choose the best options for your home. Window replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Sumter window replacement experts offer comprehensive window services. Sumter, South Carolina, including window sealing. Sumter and window maintenance, Sumter SC. Regular window maintenance. Sumter SC can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Window contractors, Sumter are skilled in addressing all types of window issues. Custom awning windows. Sumter are designed to meet the specific needs and preferences of each client. Awning design. Sumter offers a variety of styles and materials, including awning materials, Sumter SC, and awning accessories, Sumter SC. Awning specialists. Sumter SC can help you select the perfect awning to complement your property. Awning cleaning, Sumter SC, and awning replacement, Sumter SC services ensure your awnings remain in top condition. Residential windows. Sumter and window styles. Sumter are available in a variety of designs to suit any home, whether you're looking for traditional or modern window styles. Sumter window contractors. Sumter can provide expert advice and installation. Window services. Sumter, South Carolina include everything from window replacement to window consultation. Sumter, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Aluminum awning windows. Sumter SC are a durable and stylish option for both residential and commercial properties. These awning windows, Sumter provide excellent protection from the elements and can be customized to match your property's design. Awning solutions. Sumter SC include a range of options to suit any budget and style preference. Awning specialists, Sumter SC are experienced in creating functional and attractive awning designs. Window replacement is a crucial step in enhancing your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows, Sumter are designed to reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. Vinyl windows, Sumter, South Carolina, are a popular choice for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Window upgrades. Sumter can transform your home and increase its value. Awning replacement. Sumter SC is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your awnings. Regular awning cleaning. Sumter SC can prevent damage and extend the life of your awnings. Awning materials. Sumter SC are selected for their durability and weather resistance, ensuring your awnings withstand the elements.